Okay, we're going to do a quick visual condition report. Now we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Now the entire front bumper is wrapped in PPF paint protection film. Here on this wheel, I don't see any curb rash. Looks amazing. Looking at the fender, it's nice and clean. Got the white stripes here. Those are not painted on, they are a vinyl. Mirror looks good. A-pillar looks good. That roof looks nice. The door's clean. You do have PPF on that door edge, protecting it. Looking at that quarter panel. Looks amazing. That lower section looks nice. Looking at this wheel. I don't see any curb rash. All that carbon looks good. All of that's nice and clean. This side looks amazing. And then checking out the front, like I said, full front clip PPF, as well as the gloss black trim here. Looking at the hood. Looks amazing. Got the white vinyl stripes. That looks good. Very clean. Looking at the edge here, you do have a little spot in the paint there. I don't see any other imperfections there. Now on the film on this bumper, you do have some edges that are peeling up. Down here on the lower side. Got a couple bubbles in the film. That lower section looks good. A couple spots lifting there. And then the largest one is down here. Other than that, that front end looks good. Now this splitter does have a little bit of rash on the edge. All very minor. You have to get down low underneath the car to see really any of that. It's on that very edge. Other than that, that front end looks awesome. And looking at the engine bay, all of this looks amazing. Hood pins are really nice. All the plastics are clean. All of this looks really, really clean. The underside of the hood is nice and clean. All right, checking out this side. Here on the spoiler, you do have a really small chip or a little imperfection in the clear coat there. Everything else on this paint looks amazing. Super, super clean. I didn't find any flaws. Now looking at this wheel, this is the only main flaw in this car, is you do have rash right there. So it's from here to there, essentially. Everything else is perfect. It's just that one little spot. And this wheel's perfect as well. You do have one chip right there on the caliper. And then looking at the backside, got the massive carbon spoiler. That looks good. Here on the deck lid, nice and clean. Those taillights look good. Now you're gonna have little surface scuffs from just washing this black trim, which is really common. It's very minor on this one. It actually looks really good. That bumper's clean. I'm not seeing really any other flaws anywhere on this car. Looks amazing. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker and it still smells brand new in here, and it is near immaculate. This thing is very, very clean. Of course, it's very low miles. I don't expect anything to be wrong. That looks good. Looking at that bolster, really, really clean. Tiny, tiny scuff there. Everything else looks perfect. You can see all the Alcantara looks good. Got the stripes in there. This is not matted down, nice and smooth. All the high gloss carbon looks good. All of this looks good. I don't see any flaws anywhere in here on this side. The steering wheel looks perfect. It's essentially brand new. Okay, looking at this door panel, I don't see any imperfections that stand out. That kick plate looks amazing. Carpet's nice and clean. I see two very small stains or something just on the surface of the Alcantara. I'm not sure if that can be cleaned off. Everything else though looks perfect. You can see all of this is nice and clean. The bolsters look awesome. This side of the dash looks good. That carbon looks amazing. I love the high gloss. Upper side of the dash is clean. Everything up there looks good. Very, very nice. Then looking in the trunk, of course, looks perfect. Got your sub there. And you can see all the carbon under here. Looks awesome.